Have you ever wondered how you can make money with 3D modeling online? It's a question that many budding 3D artists often ask. The world of 3D modeling is vast and increasingly relevant, spanning across various industries from entertainment to real estate. It's not just about creating art, it's also about harnessing your skills to generate income. The digital age has opened up a plethora of opportunities for talented individuals like you. In today's video, we will explore 5 ways you can turn your 3D modeling skills into a profitable online venture. The first way to make money with 3D modeling is by selling your 3D models online. There are numerous platforms available that can help you turn your 3D creations into a source of income. TurboSquid, CG Trader, and Sketchfab are just a few examples. Each of these platforms provides a marketplace for 3D artists to sell their work to a wide range of buyers, from game developers to interior designers. Now, the key to success in selling 3D models online is in the quality and uniqueness of your work. Creating models that are both distinctive and of high quality will set you apart in the crowded marketplace. And let's talk about earnings. While it varies based on the complexity and uniqueness of your models, you can earn anywhere from a few dollars to several hundred per model. With the right models and platform, selling 3D models online can be a lucrative business. The second way to make money with 3D modeling is by offering your services as a freelancer. Freelancing is a fantastic option for those who prefer a dynamic work environment and a wide range of projects. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are teeming with opportunities for proficient 3D artists. On these platforms, you can showcase your portfolio, bid on projects, and connect with clients from all over the world. It's a global marketplace where your skills are the currency. The flexibility of freelancing allows you to choose projects that align with your interests and capabilities, making every task an opportunity for growth. Now let's talk potential earnings. These are dependent on your experience level, the complexity of the projects, and the client's budgets. But with determination and a commitment to honing your craft, you can earn a substantial income. Freelancing offers a great way to use your 3D modeling skills to earn money while working on diverse projects. The third way to make money with 3D modeling is by working for a company remotely. Now, many companies are on the lookout for talented 3D artists to work on their projects, and the good news is, they're more open than ever to remote arrangements. This means you get the chance to collaborate with teams from all over the world, right from the comfort of your own home. The benefits of this setup are manifold. Besides the obvious perk of skipping the daily commute, you can enjoy a steady income and regular work, which can be a boon, especially in the often unpredictable world of freelancing. This can provide a certain level of financial stability while you continue to refine your craft. Potential earnings vary widely based on your experience and the company, but it's not uncommon for remote 3D artists to make a comfortable living. Working remotely for a company allows you to have a steady paycheck while honing your 3D modeling skills. The fourth way to make money with 3D modeling is by creating an online course. Consider platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. Each of these platforms offers a unique opportunity to share your knowledge with eager students from around the world. Imagine impacting someone's life positively, helping them to develop their skills and pursue their passion in 3D modeling. That's a rewarding experience in itself. But let's not forget about the financial benefits. When you create an online course, you're generating a source of passive income. Once the course is set up, it can continue to earn money for you while you sleep, eat, or even create more courses. The potential earnings can be quite substantial. Some successful course creators have made thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars. In a nutshell, creating an online course is a fantastic way to share your expertise with a global audience and generate a steady stream of income. Creating an online course allows you to share your expertise while making money. The final way to make money with 3D modeling is by starting a blog or YouTube channel. Creating content around this fascinating world can generate a steady stream of income. How? Through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Imagine every time someone clicks on your content or buys a product you recommend, you earn. Potential earnings can range widely, but with dedication and creativity, it can be quite substantial. Starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a fun and rewarding way to share your love for 3D modeling while earning money. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money with online 3D modeling. A quick recap: selling 3D models, freelancing, remote company work, creating a 3D modeling course, or kickstarting a blog or YouTube channel. Remember, the key to success in online 3D modeling is to continually improve your skills and stay updated with the latest trends. Happy modeling!